再介紹我自己先啦。咁我就叫做戴佩權啦，咁我就而家咧係喺呢一個中文大學嘅地球與環境科學系裏邊咧，係即係professor 啦。咁我就好開心，我啱啱去年就攞到呢個10大傑出青年，一陣間都會分享多少少究竟背後有啲乜嘢嘅故事喺裏邊嘅咧。咁我自己都係青年科學院嘅院士嚟嘅。好再一次咧，好感謝係啦，好感謝梅校長啦，同埋咧各位嘅即係邀請。我嚟到呢一度同大家分享嘅 very very glad to be able to be here to share with you my life story。咁我主要咧先去分享我個人嘅經歷，點解我會成為咧一個氣候科學家？係喺香港嚟講咧係好少嘅，係絕對10隻手指都數得晒嘅一個所謂嘅行業啦嚇。咁點解 like I would love to sort of share my story why I have become a climate scientist among a very 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 few climate scientists in Hong Kong. All right, so let me begin. 我中學咧，其實我就喺中1到中5嘅時候咧，就喺中華傳道會安柱中學嘅。大家知唔知邊間中學啊？有聽過？Yeah，OK，其實我知道好多人都冇聽過嘅。咁我就係細個嘅時候喺中學嘅階段咧，咁我都已經係好中意呢一個大自然㗎啦，係啦。咁我自己咧就覺得咧大自然係好奇妙㗎啦。咁我自己咧都係有信仰嘅，我都係相信上帝嘅。我又覺得即係上帝嘅創造係好奇妙嘅。但係同一時間咧，我又會覺得哇，原來人咧係真係好破壞嘅呢個地球環境得好嚴重㗎喎，咁樣。咁咧，我細個嘅時候咧，都即係中學嘅時候啦，咁都會參加教會嘅活動啦，好多唔同嘅服務啦，亦都我自己就特別中意做話劇嘅。When I was in secondary school, I was really passionate about drama, art, doing services, but of course I really love studying as well。咁我自己都係好即係其實我好中意讀書嘅，我尤其係中意我尤其中意化學同埋生物學嘅。咁其實咧我讀書亦都讀得係即係都叫做相當唔錯咁樣啦。好，咦有咩特別？係咪好有啲嘢好特別 ？OK， 係啦，咁呢度咧，我會想分享呢一張相咧，係我喺一個叫做即係叫平機會搞嘅一個話劇比賽裏邊咧，咁喺嗰度咧，我覺得一個特別嘅經歷嚟嘅，因為咧呢個話劇裏邊咧，我要去飾演一個精神病康復者，係啦，咁係面對住呢一個好多社會裏邊嘅一啲歧視嘅時候，我應該係點樣去面對咧？咁我中學嘅時候去做話劇咧，我已經覺得，點樣去理解別人嘅內心世界？點樣去真係原來社會裏邊有好多弱勢嘅群體，究竟佢哋過一個點樣嘅生活咧？其實我中學嘅時候，我已經好想去嘗試去理解，並且喺我嘅話劇裏邊咧係嘗試去感受嘅。Even when I was a secondary school student, I was very passionate about understanding the life of the underprivileged. I really want to kind of understand what their life is like. So through drama, this is a drama organized by the Equal Opportunity Council drama competition, and I was actually I acted as a mental patient or someone who has recovered from mental illness. And then during this process, I was able to kind of really try to understand what it was like to be someone from a much discriminated background. All right, so 咁我去到高中嘅時候咧，我就係去咗第二間中學讀嘅，咁就係Li Po Chun United World College。咁我就係喺呢個李寶春聯合世界書院嗰度咧，就讀我嘅高中啦。咁我係讀 IB 課程嘅。咁其實嗰陣咧，我都係繼續我對呢一個生態啦、環境啦，其實係好有興趣嘅。其實我由細到大已經會成日去嘗試去譬如去睇唔同嘅同大自然有關嘅documentary 咁我又會去可能捉一啲唔同嘅昆蟲喺屋企養咁樣，通常最後都養死晒嘅咁樣。咁佢哋即係我捉啲蝸牛或者嗰啲小昆蟲喺屋企養嘅時候咧，我就會發現一樣嘢，原來咧其實呢啲生物咧係需要一個好多其他嘅嘢配合之下先至可以生存到嘅喎，唔係話我捉咗翻屋企咧，我俾嘢佢食佢就會生存到嘅喎。原來佢係依賴住 大自然裏邊唔同嘅部分、唔同嘅因素咧，結合起上嚟，大家互補呢一個缺失嘅時候咧，先至可以去生存到嘅。咁我已經覺得其實大自然裏邊生態裏邊人同埋自然動物、植物之間嘅聯繫咧，其實係好神奇、好奇妙嘅喎。咁所以我都喺高中嘅時候就做呢一個米埔嘅，去米埔嗰度嘗試去做一啲 service 啦，即係點樣可以幫助保育個紅樹林咧。咁我亦都會喺我讀化學嘅時候咧，我尤其中意嗰啲同環境污染有關嘅化學了解點解人類會有環境破壞得咁嚴重嘅咧，背後嘅化學過程係啲乜嘢咧？咁我自己喺即係讀生物學嘅時候都好中意嗰個生態學嘅嘢喺裏邊啦。So when I was secondary school, when I was in high school, I was in the Li Po Chun United World College. All right. I really found a wonderful sort of connections between different kinds of life and how life is actually connected with each other. So when I studied chemistry, I was particularly interested in the chemistry of pollutants, pollution. I really want to understand why, like how human activities have contributed to the pollution of the environment. What kind of activities are the most serious in terms of polluting the environment? And when I studied biology, I was particularly interested in ecology. I want to understand why life can maintain, like why organisms can actually stay out there, live their life. But if I catch some insects and bring them home to raise them in my home, they usually die very quickly. So I was very fascinated by the knowledge behind it. 咁咧，我去到呢一個真係要去諗去讀大學嘅時候咧，咁我就有一個好大嘅 dilemma 啦。OK， 咁我相信如果大家係你聽到我嘅 background 係知道我仲要其實係由細到大喺一個比較 grassroot 啲嘅 background， 即係其實我都喺屋村嗰度長大嘅。咁我係之前喺安柱讀嘅時候，其實我都係住石梨貝嘅即係屋村咁樣啦嚇。咁你想像到即係一個比較草根啲嘅環境，即係環境長大。咁我又讀書咧就讀得係好好嘅，係啦，我通常都係top of the class 啦，或者係即係比較名列前茅啲嘅嚇，即係亦都係會考嘅成績亦都非常之好啦咁樣。咁其實而我又中意化學同埋中意物理化學同埋生物學喎。咁好自然咧，其實全宇宙即係我屋企人啦，我阿爸啦，我阿媽啦，我身邊嘅所有朋友啦，我啲老師啦，其實都會覺得咧，咁你咪應該去讀醫咯。係啊，咁係好自然嘅喎。你既然讀得書讀得好，跟住你又中意物理化學，唔係化學同埋生物學嘅話，咁好自然而然咧，大家都會覺得我係應該要去讀醫嘅。Right？ 其實去到一個位咧，我自己都覺得我自己係應該要去讀醫嘅，因為我都唔係好知有咩其他選項啊。因為我自己就好中意生物好中意大自然，好中意環境，好中意即係生態呢啲嘢。咁但係其實我都諗唔到，咁可以做啲咩咧？咁即係其實要讀啲咩嘅咧？咁所以其實我高中嘅時候咧，我都好掙扎嘅。一方面我知道自己咧，其實係好想喺呢一個環境科學啦，或者係即係喺啲做一啲嘢係同可以幫到解決環境嘅問題嘅。咁但係同一時間咧，我又會覺得，咦？咁我都唔係好嗰陣，因為講緊成30年前，我都已經差唔多20幾年前啦嚇。咁嗰陣其實我都真係唔知究竟我可以做啲乜嘢嘅喎。如果係即係如果係讀環境科學嘅話咁樣。咁所以我最後就即係去諗究竟點樣好咧？咁咧我就都將成件事去擺喺即係上帝裏邊啦，咁樣即係喺祈禱裏邊。咁我其實到最後係高中嘅時候咧，我最後咧喺香港咧，我就報唔同嘅大學嘅咧，我主要都係報翻醫學嘅。咁其實到最後咧，亦都係中文大學嘅醫學院咧，其實係收咗我嘅嗰陣嚇。咁所以其實醫學院收咗我咯喎，咁咧所以其實我屋企人咧都會覺得我係應該要去，咁咪就係去讀醫咯咁樣。咁但係我自己內心其實仍然係好有掙扎嘅，我會覺得其實即係醫科或者做醫生係一個好尊貴，亦都好有意義嘅一個專業啦咁樣嚇。我亦都覺得係非常之可以幫到人嘅。但係同一時間我又會覺得，但係其實呢個地球都係因為人類嘅好多活動 因為人類嘅好多嘅破壞係導致到越嚟越即係受到好多嘅破壞，生態係有好多嘅危害，生態系統唔平衡，但係到最後咧，其實係令到人越嚟越多嘅疾病嘅喎，咁樣。咁嗰陣我就會諗啦，咦？其實我嗰陣雖然只係高中生啦，但我真係會咁諗嘅喎。如果我哋個地球繼續去被破壞落去嘅時候，咁只會越嚟越多人有疾病嘅啫喎。因為環境嘅污染其實係導致到好多癌症啦，或者好多嘅其他嘅疾病啦，重生嘅。而可能氣候變化呢一啲咁樣嘅嚴峻嘅問題咧，亦都會令到好多人係有好多嘅健康嘅損害嘅。咁我嗰陣真係會諗，與其係做一個醫生，我去醫一個人，直接醫一個人嘅疾病，如果我可以咧嚟到去幫手解決嗰個環境嘅問題，可能其實我可以變相間接地係醫到更加多人嘅喎。將個地球環境好啲嘅時候，少啲人病，咁會唔會其實係我可以幫助去解決嗰個更加根本嘅問題咧？咁嗰陣我都覺得，我同人傾嘅時候咧，大家都覺得我可能有少少即係好天真咁樣啦嚇。咁但係我就有呢個好強嘅信念，我亦都將呢個信念咧擺喺呢一個嘅禱告裏邊。咁到最後咧，上帝係有好神奇、好奇妙嘅即係嘅答案啦。咁佢咧俾我喺即係我雖然醫學院收咗啦，但係跟住我去到我都係差唔多，我記得係3月度嘅位，2003年3月度嗰個位咧。咁我收到另外一封信，就係我報嘅一間美國嘅大學咧，係一間我由細到大都夢寐以求想去讀嘅一間大學嚟嘅，就叫做麻省理工學院或者 MIT， 唔知大家有冇聽過？咁係我以前已經覺得，我好想去 MIT 嗰度讀書嘅，如果有機會嘅話。但係竟然咧，最後係收咗我嘅嗰陣，我好有印象。當我收到嗰個 MIT 嘅取錄信嘅時候咧，我係人生其中一個最開心嘅一日嚟嘅，其中一個。咁但係其實我係因為喺個頭先都講啦，係草根嘅即係家庭啦。其實我屋企係絕對冇即係 afford 唔到我去讀書嘅嚇。I couldn't really afford it。咁所以我嗰陣。我爸爸就同我講啦，即係類似係咁你都冇錢俾你讀㗎，你都係去返中大讀醫算啦咁樣。咁但係過咗1個禮拜，我都覺得1個定唔知2個禮拜之後咧，我就收到 MIT 嘅另外一封信。嗰封信咧就係同我講話，MIT 願意俾呢一個全額嘅獎學金我去讀書。咁所以我嗰陣係覺得上帝好奇妙，因為佢係就算當我係屋企冇可能去做到呢件事，去到外國讀書，但係佢有嗰個好及時嘅供應同埋安排，佢讓我可以有呢個機會，可以咧真係去到美國嗰度去即係繼續去進修。所以我最後咧就真係去咗美國，就去咗即係讀環境工程。咁我用英文少少嘅 recap 啦。So when I was in high school, I had to decide between what kind of career, what kind of major I want to pursue. So, I was very good at school. I got top scores in school. So, and I like chemistry, I like biology. So a very natural choice would be medicine. And actually everybody else, my mother, my father, my friends, my teachers all thought I should, study medicine, right? That's a very natural choice. And indeed, CUHA gave me an offer into their medical school when I was in high school. So that became a very natural choice. But then I was like, I really wanted to address the issues of environmental problems. I understand that being a doctor is very meaningful, but at the same time, if the earth and the environment continue to deteriorate, there will be more people getting sick. So I was like, maybe if I can become, so to speak, the Earth's doctor, I can address environmental problems and fewer people would get sick from pollution and climate change and other sorts of problems. Maybe I'm still healing people, even though I'm not a medical doctor. So finally, I got accepted actually into my dream school, MIT, in the United States. And I really took it as a sign that God really want me to pursue my dream in environmental science or pursue my dream career in environmental protection. And I also thank God for giving me a scholarship to study, like a full scholarship to study at MIT as well. I was from a really grassroots background. So my family really couldn't afford my study in the United States. So I really thank God for giving me this opportunity, the financial assistance, and the direction to really go for what He called me to do. So to make it short, 咁我後來就去咗 MIT 嗰度讀書啦，咁樣就你見到呢度就係嗰個我 roommate 嚟嘅，呢個唔係我嚟嘅，呢個我 roommate 嚟嘅，係啦，隔離呢一個咁我即係喺MIT 就喺 Boston，其實 exactly 喺 Boston 對面嗰個 city 叫做 City of Cambridge 嘅，但係通常我哋都係話 Boston 㗎啦，咁樣就喺呢個讀書嘅過程裏邊咧，其實就係so this is MIT right and that is my roommate right there and very, very soon, I chose my major, which is environmental engineering science. 我好快咧就揀咗呢個環境工程科學咧嚟到做我嘅 major 啦，因為我真係覺得，我好想學到一啲the physics and the chemistry, the fluid mechanics, the thermodynamics, all of these like really wonderful knowledge. I was really a nerd, but I really love these, equations and math and stuff like that. And then using these equations and math to understand what's going on in the environment. 咁我讀呢一個環境工程嘅時候咧，就其實係學到好多啲物理啦、啲流體力學啊、熱力學啊，或者啲環境化學嘅嘢啦。咁我其實就好開心喎，真係覺得，因為原來咧我中學學嗰啲 phy chem bio 咧，同埋啲 math 咧，其實好多時候都唔係好用到，都唔知用喺邊噶嘛。我去到大學嘅時候就會知道，原來呢啲 phy chem bio 啊、math 啊嗰啲同埋 programming 啊呢啲嘢咧。原來可以應用喺了解環境嘅運作，亦都去諗一啲解決嘅方法嘅喎。So I was really excited about this major environmental engineering and science。咁我喺讀緊大學嘅時候咧，就有機會去一啲 field trip 啦。其中一個我就係去咗 Alaska 嗰度嘅。咁喺個 Alaska 嗰度咧，就其實睇啲咩嘅咧？阿拉斯加嗰度咧，我哋係特登睇究竟當地嘅油啊，即係石油嘅開採咧，點樣影響到當地嘅人嘅社會同埋人嘅同埋即係大自然嘅生態嘅嚇。咁喺呢個過程裏邊啊，真係知道，哇！原來嗰個石油嘅開採咧，咁人好需要石油去即係支撐我哋嘅經濟啦。但係同一時間，原來石油嘅開採咧，唔單止係破壞到當地嘅環境。石油自己本身當然係氣候變化嘅一個好重要嘅即係元兇啦。而另一方面咧，原來當地嘅人咧，因為有好多嗰啲叫做 indigenous community 啊，當地嗰啲唔可以話叫土著嘅，即係當地嗰啲即係原住民啊嚇。嗰啲原住民咧，其實原來係因為開採石油嘅緣故咧，佢哋要可能係被分散到去一啲 communities 裏邊咧嚇，令到佢哋冇咗本身嗰個生計嘅。令到佢哋可能係要做其他嘅工作啊咁就導致到好多社會嘅問題。咁我嗰陣已經開始覺得咧原來人嘅活動，人好多對大自然嘅破壞或者係資源嘅損耗咧，原來係唔係淨係影響到自然生態，甚至乎係影響到社會即係社群裏邊嘅人嘅即係有好多社會嘅問題嘅喎。咁我後來亦都有另外一個 field trip 咧，就去咗夏威夷啦咁去夏威夷咧就特登去咗，你見到冰天雪地咧，其實係夏威夷嚟嘅That is actually Hawaii right there, right? So why is it snowy? Because it's actually the top of the mountain, of the highest mountain in Hawaii. Yeah, so basically that's the Mauna Loa. 即係我唔記得咗，我都唔知中文係咩啦。總之係夏威夷最高嘅山嚟嘅咁上高咧，我上去做咩咧？就係去夏威夷最高嗰個山嘅天文台，係啦。咁點解要去嗰個天文台啊？原來嗰個天文台好出名嘅喎。the observatory on the top of the highest mountain in Hawaii actually is there. There is the observatory, and that observatory is extremely famous because that's the observatory that measure the CO2 concentration for the whole over the past few decades. 即係咧呢一個天文台咧就係啱啱記錄咗，就係過去嗰50幾，即係過去嗰大半個世紀以嚟咧，就一路喺度記錄緊 大氣層裏邊嘅二氧化碳濃度嘅。即係好多時候我哋可能你讀地理啊或者讀物理嘅時候，你會見到，或者讀化學嘅時候，你會見到二氧化碳不斷升緊喎，邊度量度出嚟㗎？咁其實世界好多地方都量度緊嘅。咁而其中一個最重要、最早開始量度嘅咧，就係呢一個夏威夷嘅即係嘅山啦，即係最高嗰座山啦。咁你可能會問，點解要去夏威夷嗰座咁遠嘅地方咧？你諗下夏威夷係邊嘅？夏威夷喺太平洋嘅中間㗎嘛，係遠離晒所有人煙嘅，係遠離晒所有最重要嘅工業活動嘅。Alright, so you may be asking, why do we measure CO2 concentration in the top of a mountain? Alright, that is so remote from anywhere else. Right? Hawaii is in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. So why? Like measuring it there? Like why? 就係 exactly 因為佢咁遠離所有嘅人煙咧，當我哋仍然見到嗰個二氧化碳係不斷升緊嘅時候咧，你就會知道，咦，原來人為即係唔係？如果你譬如你喺中國北京咁樣去量度啊，梗係升緊啦，因為我哋知道佢燒緊好多煤啊，燒緊好多天然氣啊咁噶嘛。咁但係原來你去到咁遠嘅地方，你仍然 pick up 到嗰個嘅 signal 啊 ，rising signal， 即係你仍然可以探測到嗰個二氧化碳增長嘅趨勢咧。咁我哋就會知道呢一個咧真係一個二氧化碳係一個全球嘅現象嚟嘅。即係就算其他工業嘅地方有好多嘅碳排放，原來到去到最遠嘅地方咧，一樣可以監測到嗰個二氧化碳嘅提升。Alright, you can even measure the rise in CO2 concentration at a place that is so remote from everywhere in the world. And now you would know, you can ascertain that the rise of CO2 concentration is a global problem. Things that we do around us, Hong Kong has a lot of emission, of course, alright? China has a lot of emissions. It's even affecting the CO2 concentration in a place that is so remote from everywhere else on Earth. 咁我就亦都會覺得，咦係喎，即係人對大自然對地球嗰個嘅影響係好深遠嘅喎。Human beings really have a very strong impact on the world。咁所以咧，我好快我喺讀緊呢個環境科學嘅時候，即係 MIT 讀緊環境科學嘅時候，我已經都幾肯定咧，我係想繼續去做科研做落去嘅。我好想咧去投身科學嚟到去研究點解人類嘅活動會導致到咁多環境嘅問題，同埋去探索究竟有啲咩方法可以解決到呢啲問題咧。So咁我就好快即係我都冇諗其他嘅工作啦。我基本上咧就去繼續我嘅學業啦，我就去讀呢一個博士嘅課程嘅。咁我就去咗，因為我唔係好想離開波士頓，咁我就又唔係好想繼續留喺 MIT 喎，咁我就去咗 MIT 隔離嗰間學校，咁就係其實係哈佛啦。咁個兩個係隔兩個地鐵站嘅啫，其實只係兩間大學隔咗兩個地鐵站。咁我就去咗即係 down， 我哋成日講笑話係 the school down the street 咁樣嚇，咁就去咗嗰度讀我嘅博士課程啦。咁我個博士課程都係環境工程與科學嘅嚇。So I basically went to Harvard, which is just a few stations away from MIT, to continue my PhD study in environmental science and engineering. 咁嗰陣咧其實就嗰啲詳細都唔講啦。其實我係想分享咁我就好快我就諗唔同嘅方向啦。究竟我應該係睇水啊，定係空氣咧？睇生物啦，定係化學咧？咁樣即係其實我都諗好多唔同嘅嘢。咁都到最後咧，我就決定，因為我原來咧我自己就好中意睇 map 嘅好中意睇地圖嘅咁樣，亦都好中意一啲好大規模、大範圍嘅嘢嘅。如果你要我研究嘅問題係一個淨係研究下嗰個海灘裏邊嘅其中一種海星咁樣咧，我又會覺得好細啊！就係嗰件事係即係好專即係好細嗰件事。咁我就特別中意咧係解決一啲或者去睇一啲大範圍啲嘅問題嘅嚇，亦都好中意去睇啲可以 總之做到嗰個研究係令到我可以 plot 到啲 map 出嚟啊，睇到世界唔同地方啊嘅嘢。咁所以我最後就係揀咗咧真係去讀大氣科學嘅即係或者叫氣候科學咁我嘅專門咧最後就係變咗係氣候科學啦，或者氣候及大氣科學咁所以如果大家有同學仔係想第時做天文台嘅話咧，其實係絕對可以讀我哋而家個科目㗎。我就係 exactly 教呢一個氣候同大氣科學嘅。Yeah, so I was wondering between what kind of focuses I should have, and very gradually I realized I want to do something that is have a larger scale and larger impact. So I chose climate science as my major, as my focus of study. 咁但係咧呢度係想同大家分享，其實科研嘅道路絕對係辛苦嘅，同埋絕對係好多嘅挑戰。當我讀到第二同第三年嘅時候咧，尤其係我出咗一份 paper， 即係出咗一份論文之後咧，我係有一段時間好想放棄呢一個即係博士嘅課程嘅，因為我會真係覺得，咦，研究好似好遠啊，好似唔係好有直接嘅影響啊對呢個世界。可能我研究嘅成果最後出咗篇論文，但係出完篇論文之後咧，你都唔知有冇人睇嘅。就算有人睇都好，可能只係得10幾個人睇過可能仲少。咁其實如果政府睇唔到，坊間睇唔到，新聞傳媒睇唔到嘅時候，其實究竟有啲乜嘢嘅實際影響嘅咧？好多時候我都喺度諗，咦，我都唔係好知究竟科研嗰個影響。通常可能最後係有影響嘅，但係通常都係集腋成裘，唔同嘅人去研究咗唔同嘅結果出嚟之後，可能過10幾年甚至乎幾十年先至真係有嗰個長遠嘅果效嘅。咁我就會覺得，咦，好遠喎成件事咁樣。咁而我會唔會可以譬如出去一啲志願機構或者一啲國際性嘅組織，例如世界銀行啊、聯合國啊，咁樣嚟到去做一啲真係直接影響到即係貧窮國家嘅環境問題嘅工作咧我可唔可以應該去出去做啲 NGO 啊，或者做一啲跨國政府機構咧咁樣？咁我真係去諗嘅。Yeah, so back then I was really wondering, especially during my PhD study, at some point I really wanted to quit because science is is wonderful, but then the impact seems so far away, right? You publish papers, you have some findings, but nobody may be listening, or very few people will be listening. If the government is not listening, the businesses are not listening, then what are the impacts? The impacts may be very accumulative. Maybe it happened only many years later. So I was like, oh, maybe it's better to go out of academia, to leave the ivory tower, to find a job in international organizations like United Nations or World Bank, to really do on-the-ground work for the poor people suffering from environmental problems or resource depletion in third world countries. 咁但係最後咧，都係有一句嘅説話係好幫助我去揾自己嘅方向嘅，亦都係真係造就咗我繼續留喺呢一個學術界做一個科學家。呢一句説話咧係一個神學家所講嘅。咁我今日咧，如果你忘記晒我講嘅所有嘢咧，都唔緊要，最緊要係記住呢句説話，希望呢句説話可以幫到你。This quote from the theologian Frederick Buechner really helped me figure out my way, whether I should quit PhD or not, or remain in academia to pursue to become a scientist. This become a very, very important guide. It says, your calling, mission, purpose is where your deep gladness and the world's deep hunger meet. 即係你人生嘅目標係咩咧？係你一樣最中意、最有熱誠、最想做嘅時候最開心嘅嘢。但係唔單止係咁樣，因為如果你淨係做自己中意做嘅嘢，其實好多人都係咁噶啦 ，right？ 上帝唔係淨係要你做你自己中意做嘅事，而係要你中意做嘅事得嚟係 meet with the world's deep hunger。你做嘅呢件事係回應緊世界嘅一啲需要嘅，係回應緊你心裏邊特別感到扎心嘅一啲事情。 你見到可能有啲嘅你見到一啲嘅問題，或者你見到一啲嘅人，你係好想去幫嘅，你係好覺得嗰個問題令到你感到好痛心嘅。你中意嘅事情，你想做嘅事情，有熱誠嘅事情，同埋你見到呢個世界嘅需要相交嗰點，可能就係你嘅人生嘅目標。So, friends, the thing that you find the most passionate about and the world's greatest needs that really strike you, maybe the intersection point is your career, is your purpose, is your calling. So, 咁我就諗我自己啦。咦，我中意啲咩咧？我啊真係好中意啲 science 嘅喎，好中意啲 math 嘅喎。I really love the science. I really love the math. 我亦都好中意教書啊。I found great passion in teaching, helping other people understand the science and the math. All right? Maybe some of you would be like, oh, science, math, so tough. But I have a strong passion helping you. 咁我發覺我好中意喎呢啲嘢，咁所以其實我都即係做一啲同教學有關嘅嘢都係好好嘅喎。And on the other hand, the world's greatest need, right? The world's greatest needs, I really see that environmental issues such as climate change, pollution, right? They are really affecting the poorest people on earth. 環境問題往往係最影響到最貧窮嘅人最多嘅。咁所以我真係見到呢個咁大嘅問題嘅時候 I feel very, very deeply moved to help address these issues. 咁所以我就會諗緊，咦，兩樣嘢相交嘅時候，咁其實咪就係繼續留喺呢個 academia 去做一個教授，做一個科學家。我喺大學裏邊做我嘅教學同研究，但係同一時間我亦都可以咧嚟到幫助去解決呢一個環境嘅問題。咁所以到最後我就都忠於自己嗰個使命啦。咁我就繼續留喺academia 裏邊，我繼續留喺呢個學界裏邊去做氣候科學家，嚟到亦都好慶幸，我可以喺12年前啦，咁就香港中文大學嗰陣就開咗個新嘅課程叫做地球系統課程啦，科學課程啦，而家就變成咗我哋而家嘅地球與環境科學系，咁啊嗰陣係一個課程嚟嘅，咁我12年前就真係即係中大請咗我啦，咁我就翻咗嚟香港呢一度去即係做一個氣候科學家，去我嘅研究啦、教學啦，亦都係同一時間做好多社會嘅服務。I'm very glad God led me back to Hong Kong. CUHK, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, opened this new program in Earth System Science 12 years ago. And I was the first hire, actually. Yeah, I came back to Hong Kong, my home place, my birthplace, to become a scientist and a professor and teacher, educator. And at the same time, I have been very passionate about serving the society as well. 咁所以咧，喺呢度會都分享過去嗰10年嚟，其實我嘅研究又做過啲乜嘢啦，我喺社會工作裏邊又做咗啲乜嘢咧咁樣。咁我自己一直以嚟嘅研究工作咧，well, I was told that this part I can just use English, right? So there are 3 major sort of research problems that I look at. The first one is how air pollution and climate change impact crop and forest productivity, because air pollutants really damages the crop and leaves and the trees. Climate disasters like heat waves, right? Fires, they all damage the forest. So part of my research is to look at how, okay? Another direction is how land use and forest changes and management affect air quality and climate. So we are all talking about growing trees, right? Like planting more trees. So I particularly look at how the planting of trees can change the microclimate and the larger climate and the quality of the environment. So in my research, we found that planting trees are not always good, okay? Some trees are actually better than others, but some trees can actually be bad for the environment. So, well, the science is very complex, but the idea is, if you want to plant trees to help to save the world, you have to be very careful what type of trees you plant and how you plant them. Okay, well, I mean, we can talk about this all day and have another talk, but that's not the point of today. So third, I look at how sustainable agriculture and food systems can mitigate air pollution and climate change. And this is an area that I feel very passionate about. It's related to what we eat every day and what we grow, what the farmers grow every day for us to eat. I don't only do research. I really, as I've mentioned before, I really care about the actual impact. So I often would publicize our research to the media, let the governments know about it, let the businesses know about it, let the civil society know about it, right? So, for instance, let's see. Yeah, never mind. So on that side, we have looked at how future food security can actually be threatened by climate change and ozone air pollution. And those, even the Guardian, reported on our findings. We really find that we often talk about how climate change affect crop yield, right? Everybody kind of knows that. If there are more heat waves or more excess heat, more drought, that would be bad for agriculture. But what we have found is that the problem is even more serious than that, because climate change can actually worsen air pollution, all right? Climate change often worsen air pollution because the air is like hotter and trap more pollutants and things like that. And at the same time, pollutants themselves can attack the crop. So we see some doubling effect, right? Climate change itself affect crop, but climate change can also affect crop by worsening pollution. So this is what we found in our study. As I've mentioned, you see here, 種啱樹先至可以改善到空氣。咁我哋其中一 part 嘅 research 都係睇，咦，原來咧我哋當種一啲嘅樹係好，原來好多樹咧係會釋放啲有機化合物出嚟嘅。A lot of trees actually emit a lot of organic compounds, and those organic compounds, if they meet with the compounds or chemicals emitted from cars, so basically when trees meet the cars, okay, these chemicals would react to form even more air pollutants, and that would be bad for our health. So basically what we found is that you really have to grow the right type of trees in the city to prevent pollution, worse pollution, and at the same time helping the city cool down. 咁到最後咧，呢一 part 就係近年嘅我做嘅研究嚟嘅。咁我哋就發現咧，原來so this is more recent work. What we found is that actually I would like to talk a little bit about this. What we found is that, well, China has been increasing its population, okay? So we are eating more food. But at the same time, Chinese people have been eating more and more meat. You can see here, our meat consumption has grown fivefold. 升咗5倍啊, right? Fivefold. So my research has looked at how more meat-intensive diet can actually lead to worse air pollution, because the fertilizer has to be applied to grow the feed crop. 即係我哋食多咗肉咧，其實你去飼養啲牲畜嘅時候，你要用多咗肥料嚟到種佢哋食嗰啲嘢，即係你要種啲穀物嚟到餵飼嗰啲牲畜噶嘛 ，right？ 同一時間嗰啲牲畜自己咧會有好多嘅排泄物 ，so the animal waste and the fertilizer used to grow the feed crops, used to feed them, all of these would emit a lot of ammonia. 好多氨氣，即係NH3 咧，係喺呢一啲嘢裏邊咧釋放咗出嚟嘅。And NH3 is actually a major source of air pollutants. 原來嗰啲懸浮粒子咧，氨氣係一個好重要嘅 component 嚟嘅嚇。咁所以我哋呢一個研究裏邊咧就會發現，咦，原來過去中國咧，雖然in the past 30 years or so, well, the changes in the diet of Chinese population has contributed to about 20% of the rise in PM 2.5 pollution in China. 即係過去嗰30年嚟咧， 我哋知道中國嘅空氣污染越嚟越嚴重啦嚇，咁過去嗰10年好啲嘅其實，但係總之由80年到2010年呢30年期間咧，其實係中國嘅空氣污染越嚟越嚴重，而我哋就會發現咧，原來有成差唔多1/5，即係20% 度咧，嗰個嘅增幅咧係因為糧食系統嘅改變，尤其係因為我哋食多咗肉，而喺個過程裏邊就會釋放好多嘅氮氣出嚟，即係唔係氮氣，即係含氮嘅氣，即係氨氣啦 ，ammonia。而呢樣嘢係會導致到其中一個最主要嘅原因，導致到多咗空氣污染嘅喎，即係唔係主因。另外嗰80% 都係因為即係燒煤啊、industry 啊嗰啲嘢嘅嚇。咁但係我哋就發現原來有至少20% 係因為我哋糧食系統嘅改變。So and farming. Yeah, so what we found is that, and then we try to see if we switch to a more plant-based diet, right? 即係如果我哋食少啲肉，食翻多啲菜嘅話咧 we can actually reduce air pollution as well. And that would be good for the health of the farmers. 因為我哋啱啱其實近排都有個新嘅研究就係發現咧，原來當我哋去食多咗肉啦，你譬如香港或者其他比較富裕啲嘅城市，我哋係食多咗肉嘅時候咧，其實最後我哋自己嘅健康梗係會受影響，但原來唔係淨係影響到我哋自己健康啊，因為你食肉嘅多咗肉嘅時候咧，你會令到農業地區嘅環境係惡化咗，而住喺農業地區嘅人，即係對啲農民啦，其實佢哋嘅健康一樣會受影響。即係話原來我哋食得多咗肉咧，唔係單止影響自己健康，係影響埋其他人嘅健康。因為你食肉嘅一個食得多咗肉，佢哋製造肉類嘅時候係會有好多嘅環境污染，而嗰個環境污染係佢哋嗰啲農民自己承受翻嗰個嘅即係過早死亡啊，或者其他嘅疾病。So we are actually exporting diseases to other people by, the kind of things that we eat. 咁所以唔多講啦，今日所以其實我自己喺我嘅研究裏邊咧，都即係睇好多成個糧食系統可以點樣由 dietary change 啦，或者真係喺嗰個農業系統裏邊點樣去減少嗰個農業嘅即係譬如fertilizer use 啊，或者係嗰個 livestock 嘅 use 啊，咁呢啲我都係即係去睇究竟點樣可以去減少嗰個污染咧咁樣。咁咧呢度都喺呢度咧，等等先。我估氣候變化嘅嘢今日都冇乜特別有機會去講啦，我就係想咧喺呢一度可以係最後送一句嘅説話俾大家嘅。Alright, so I have been really thankful to God that I was really led to pursue my dream. And he has given me like a heart for especially the poor people affected by environmental problems. And the environmental problems can often be caused by, people in the richer regions, maybe we ourselves included, by our daily choices. That can be our daily consumption, our daily food, and other things. So indeed, we ourselves can help a lot in reducing or alleviating the pain of other people across in other parts of the world. 但係同一時間，我都好想去送呢句説話俾大家，即係好感謝上帝一直以嚟嗰個嘅，即係帶領我去行我呢一條嘅道路。而呢條嘅道路，我覺得最重要嘅一點就係 delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart。即係當我真係去諗究竟我每一步係想去點行嘅時候咧，上帝話俾我聽。去聽從佢嗰個嘅心意啦嚇，He will give me the desires of your heart， 係啦。咁呢度都想有少少時間，首先多謝大家先。咁我都想有啲時間係大家可以有啲問題去發問嘅。Alright, thank you。好。有冇問題啊？嗱，任何問題都得嘅，可以係同科學有關，同環境有關嚇。 中英文都得㗎。
我係 free 多班17號，即係夢想咧，夢想就完成就唔係呢個時間同埋呢個努力就可以擊進呢個夢想啦。但係對於更加大嘅夢想，我哋就要用更加多嘅錢。咁我哋可以點樣做咧？如果我哋真係冇錢嘅話，
咁好睇你好好啊呢個問題咁我就會諗下究竟嗰個夢想係咪一定要錢嘅先？係啦，咁睇下邊一樣。咁你嘅夢想係啲乜嘢啊？即係我會覺得即係咁嘅，一定有好多夢想咧，係可能真係要用錢或者真係要有足夠嘅 resource 先至可以去做嘅。咁但係其實咧，喺我成個人生嘅過程裏邊咧，就會發現一樣嘢，其實就算當初，如果上帝冇俾到我嗰個嘅 scholarship 去麻省理工去讀書都好啦，就算係咁都好啦，其實我就算留翻喺香港咧，繼續去讀任何嘅科目啦，無論係讀醫又好定係讀其他嘅科目都好啦，其實我又會諗翻。到最後，我仍然都可以係朝住呢個方向去行嘅喎。我而家喺我嘅圈子裏邊啦，學術嘅圈子裏邊，有好多都唔係話去咗外國讀書嘅，有好多都可能係喺香港讀書啦。佢哋可能都係去到甚至乎出到嚟做咗嘢一段時間，先至真係發現，咦唔係喎，我真係對呢一個環境可持續性嘅嘢咧係好有興趣喎。咁佢最後就自己可能係透過啲 online 嘅課程啊，嚟到去增長呢方面嘅知識啦。咁而家都喺翻嗰個行業裏邊去做緊嘅喎。So I really see that there can be multiple ways through which your dream can be achieved. There's no single way. And well, I mean, if you are religious, you know that God is amazing. 佢會可以用你beyond 你嘅所想所求嘅方法嚟到去達成你嗰個嘅夢想。Right? And you know, he can be really amazing, really. So my short answer would be there are multiple ways through which a dream can be achieved. And some of them you might not have thought of, but keep looking at every single moment of your life. Notice the opportunities around you and grab them, but keep your heart going. Keep your aim fixed. You will be able to achieve it, but you maybe not in a way that you imagine or expected, but you can. 有冇其他問題？
你幫我遞支咪。
係，我係 Free 2號 Rebecca， 想問大教授，你覺得如果想從事你嘅職業或者達成你今日嘅成就嘅話，應該具備啲咩才能或者特質 ？Thank you。好好啊呢個，咁如果你講啲比較軟性啲嘅特質嘅話，當然係即係忠於自己嘅目標啦，係啊，即係唔好咁容易放棄。咁呢啲就老土嘢啦，咁樣嚇。咁我都我相信大家都即聽得多啦，唔使再講啊。但係如果你話你真係如果你真係想做一個科學家啦 let's say 或者你做一啲同想去實際地去解決到一啲譬如環境嘅問題又好，或者貧窮問題都好咧，其實有好多嘅知識咧係可以而家就開始去預備嘅譬如你會好其實譬如programming 即係程式設計電腦嘅唔同嘅語言甚至乎 AI 嘅應用呢啲其實咧喺我而家嘅工作裏邊全部都用到嘅，係啊，咁呢啲嘢其實係無論你嘅目標係咩都好咧，原來有一紮嘅 skill set 咧係可以用喺所有嘅行業裏邊都幫到你嘅，例如電腦即係programming 啦其實係好有用嘅，大家而家可以去學下 Python。AI 嘅應用啦咁同埋咧大家可能都好唔想聽到呢一句，但係譬如統計學咧係一個非常之有用嘅嘢嚟嘅。我發現係當我教到學生統計學之後咧，佢係出到去做 finance 又可以啦，佢出到去繼續做啲公司 consulting 咩都得嘅咁所以其實有啲嘅 skill set 好 translatable。咁嗰啲 skill set 你去留意咧，可以去 build 先嘅。例如就係我頭先所講嘅 programming 啦、statistics 啦，同埋 artificial intelligence 咁呢三樣嘢其實係有少少可以話係無敵嘅，即係咩行業都應用到啦。咁所以如果大家都唔知你自己想做乜嘢，但係想第時總之就有多啲嘅 option 咧，咁我頭先講呢三樣嘢係好有用嘅 statistics、programming and AI。咁呢三樣嘢。咁但係如果你話 generic 啲嘅，咁當然就好睇下你自己想達成啲咩目標啦，係啦，咁我就可以俾啲即係再實質啲嘅意見你嘅咁樣。
由於時間有限，而家有請同學問埋最後一條問題。 我係 5D 班嘅 Charis 啦。咁我哋都知道即係地球人人都有份啦。咁我哋可能未必會讀你哋嗰啲論文啦。咁我哋點可以知道到關於你哋最新嘅研究資訊？咁可能可以有助我哋改變我哋嘅日常生活。
咁當然啦，留意新聞啊，呢啲係好重要啦。因為其實如果你真係睇新聞嘅話咧，每一日都講緊世界唔同地方發生緊嘅環境問題同埋個解決方法嘅。咁但係如果大家我唔知貴校有冇開始鼓勵學生去用啦。但係其實譬如係譬如 ChatGPT 咧，你喺裏邊基本上可以揾到最新嘅 information 嘅，即係而家有啲嘅 software 咁其實你問佢嘅時候，當然你未必係完全係準確嘅，咁但係其實係可以有啲比較 updated 啲嘅資訊，但係唔好就咁信佢講嘅嘢，而係你自己知咗一啲新嘅事情嘅時候咧，你再繼續去 look up on the internet 啊，你去真係睇書啊、睇新聞啊，嚟到去睇一啲好嘅 trusted 嘅 resources 咧，咁其實你都會可以有最新嘅資訊咯。如果你係講緊氣候變化嘅話咧，咁你就一定要留意呢一個 IPCC 啦，叫做即係International Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change， 咁基本上就係所有嘅 climate scientist 聚焦喺埋一齊寫嘅一個 report， 每6年就會出一次㗎啦。咁嗰個 report 就係對氣候變化一個最準確、最 updated 嘅一個資訊嚟嘅。咁你其實上網 YouTube 你都會揾到㗎啦 ，IPCC， 咁跟住佢就會你會有好多資訊㗎啦，咁樣咯。好多謝大家。